This is absolutely breathtaking. Take a look at my thrifted vase.
Glamorous, penny pincher. Glamorous, penny pincher.
Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher, Chelomie, and today I'm going to be decorating my dining room table for the fall season. So yes, it's a fall tablescape. Guess what, guys? I will be using that Chinaware set that I thrifted in Florida. You remember the one I'm talking about, the one I left in the store one day and then ran back the next day and picked it up? Yes, I'll be using that set along with some things I picked up from Hobby Lobby and other items that I have here at the house. So if this is something that you want to see, you know exactly what to do, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here on the table I have some of the items that I'm going to be using. I have the beautiful china set, of course. I have me some napkins with this thankful napkin ring. These I've had for a while. This is the one I thrifted in Florida. I just picked these up in Hobby Lobby recently because I just love the kind of like the bronze color that goes so well with the fall season. And I picked me up some of these beautiful florals, these picks from Hobby Lobby as well to go with my other items. And then this pick here goes with this wreath, but I'll be using it in a different style, in a different way. I'm not going to be using it as a wreath, of course. And then this beautiful vase looks like it came from, I tore the sticker up, but it looks like it came from the at-home store. But I found this in Goodwill for, I think it was $3 or something. Super cute, and it's never been used. Then I have this thankful sign. This, I don't even remember where I got this. I've had this now for about 3 or 4 years. And I will see if it makes the cut. But these are just some of the items that I'll be using. Of course, I'm going to introduce my glassware as well as my cutlery and stuff. But I'm going to start off with these. So whenever I do my tablescapes, I usually put the centerpiece down first, like I work on that part and then I do the rest. But today I'm doing things a little bit backwards. I'm gonna go ahead and put my chargers down and then maybe my plates. We'll see how I feel. But I am just going with the vibes today, okay? But we'll still have a beautiful finish. So let's go ahead and put these chargers down. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the plates down. For the napkins, I'm gonna put them under the plates. I'm gonna go in with these gold cutlery. Remember these that I showed you at the top of the video? Well, I'm gonna use them. I only have 2. So I'm going to use them at the place settings on both ends of the table. This is absolutely gorgeous. I just really love how it looks as a base for this place setting. And I thought of getting one for each place setting, but then I'm like, I don't want it to be too much. I just want it to be enough because I want this table to be super elegant, light, and just beautiful. Guys, because the China set, these beautiful plates are so elegant, classic, and timeless, I'm gonna go in with these equally timeless, beautiful, and elegant wine glasses just to match that aesthetic. So for the drinkware, I'll be using 2 of these at the ends of the table, and these others will be at the other 4 place settings. Okay guys, so the table centerpiece is gonna be really simple. This is what I've done with the floral picks and the vase that I picked up. I'm gonna stick this in the center of the table. And then I'm also gonna use these little candlesticks with these flameless candles. But every time I put it in, you know how you put it in and it's not quite the right size, so it wobbles from side to side? Let me show you how to fix that. Okay, so there are a couple ways you can fix this. This time I'm gonna use a piece of paper towel. So I just folded it a few times, eyeballing it. And then I put it on top, right where the opening is. And then I use my candle and just press it all the way down. And now my candle stands tall and as straight as an arrow. Another way you can fix that is you just put a dab of hot glue in there and just put the candle down in it. Not too much, because if you want to use it at a later time, you should be able to remove the candle from the candle holder. So just 1 drop of hot glue and then put your candlesticks down. But this paper towel works for me all the time, so I always use it if I find that my candles are not sitting well in the candle stand. Okay guys, we are ready to look at the table in detail, but before we go there, I have some exciting news for you. Now, over the years, I have brought you many tablescapes. I have brought you elegant tablescapes, over the top tablescapes, shimmering tablescapes, you name it, I have done it and you have enjoyed them all based on the feedback. But over the years, I've gotten a lot of questions as to how do you do this? How do you add that? How do you make that work? That sort of thing, right? And I have been answering your questions. I absolutely love to do so. But I thought it was a great idea, with all the questions that I continue to get, to create an ebook. So what I've done to address all your questions and to help you create your own beautiful tablescapes is I have created a digital product. So it's an ebook, which is Elegant Tablescapes Made Simple. So in this ebook, you will learn styling basics, you will learn about color theory, you will learn about centerpieces, how to actually set a formal table, as well as a checklist. Everything is in there that you need to create beautiful tables in your own home. All right, so with Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up, we know during those seasons, there's a lot of entertaining, and what better way to impress your guests than to have this beautiful and elegant tablescape ready for them when they come in to dine with you. You can also gift these. Purchase them as gifts for different family members who may want to learn how to create beautiful tablescapes themselves. So I'm going to leave a link down below for you to click on it and go ahead and purchase your ebook today. Don't wait, get it today so that you are ready for your holiday parties. Again, I want to thank you so much for always supporting me, supporting my channel, and now supporting my ebook. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, now here is the table for you. It is absolutely elegant and I just love the pieces that are on here and how everything is laid out. So I don't have a runner and that is intentional. I also didn't use placemats in these 4 settings and I didn't use any coasters. Like I said, I wanted to keep the table very light, very airy, elegant, and beautiful. And this beautiful plate set, this china set that I thrifted, if you know, you know, you may have seen my short when I purchased it on a trip to Florida. I left it, couldn't sleep that night, and then I ran back the next day and it was still there, thank God. So let me go ahead and share each place settings with you. All right, so this is the place setting at the end of the table. And if you know, this is my signature. I always have the 2 ends of my table setting different from the other 4. So with this, I have this beautiful floral. It is actually a wreath that I showed you earlier. I picked this up at Hobby Lobby and with their 50% discount, oh no, 40% discount, because this is a fall item and they're still at 40% with the fall items. I paid, I think, $9 for this wreath. I got 2 of them. I also got the chargers. I believe the chargers were $3.99 and then the 40% off. And then these beauties here are from, again, my thrifted pieces from Florida. They're absolutely gorgeous and so very elegant. I love these. So beautiful. I think they're like 89 or 87 pieces, but I'll just use these pieces here for today, and maybe in another video I will use some of the additional pieces, but it is a lot. Here I just went in with my cream colored napkin with this thankful sign, and it looks different on the other sides of the table. You could probably see that from the intro of the video. I went in with gold cutlery and I'm using these very elegant wine glasses. This one has kind of like a bronze trim, which looks very similar to the color in these dishes. All right, let's go ahead and look at the other settings. Okay, now these are the settings on the side. I am not using the wreath as a base on here. I'm simply using the charger, the same plates, the same cutlery. And I have my napkins different on these 4 place settings. I have them straight down as opposed to this one over here with the napkin ring. This setting does not require a napkin ring. It's just placed under the plate and it's just hanging there. This you will also learn the different napkin folds in my e-learning course, which is called Elegant Tablescapes Made Simple. I'll leave a link for you below to check it out. And then I went in with these beautiful wine glasses. These are actually crystals. They are beautiful. I thrifted these maybe 10 years ago in Toronto, and they are absolutely breathtaking. And I love the fact that because this is so timeless and elegant, it goes very well with these timeless and elegant crystal glasses. Beautiful. And so the 4 settings are the same, as you can see here. And then the other end matches the opposite side. All right, moving on to the center. What I did was I got this thrifted vase here, very beautiful. And it kind of reminds me of like the pumpkin. So I thought it was very befitting for this table scape. And then I added picks that I got from Hobby Lobby. These ones were $2.99 with 40% off. And this one here in the front, this was $4.99 with 40% off. And I just thought these were absolutely beautiful. And this is basically the same as the wreath here on the table. These are some little velvet pumpkins that I've had for a while. Not sure where I picked these up. It could have been at Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, maybe in a pack or something. But these I just added to the centerpiece to kind of pull some of the colors out from the beautiful leaves up here. And I think they look very, very beautiful, just laying there effortlessly on the table. And then I went in with my candlesticks. These, I believe, were also thrifted maybe 4 or so years ago. And I just added some tapered candles in it. I have one here, and I have one at the other end off the centerpiece. And then I went in and I added my cute little salt and pepper shakers. I believe I got these at Home Goods some years ago. Super cute. And that is how my centerpiece is made up. So this is just a fall table setting. I may come back and do one specifically for Thanksgiving, but I'm not sure yet. But wanted to get this out to you so I can give you some ideas of how you can make your tablescapes beautiful, elegant, and simple for this upcoming fall. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have enjoyed this fall tablescape. Please leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this tablescape. And if this is your first time watching, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family. It is real simple, guys. All you have to do is to hit that subscribe button below and make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my lovely Penny Pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.